Did you know that the human brain can solve certain math problems faster than a calculator? It's true. In fact, researchers have found that with the right techniques, you can multiply, divide, and add numbers faster in your head than a calculator can. Sounds crazy, right? But it's not magic, it's just the power of mental math. Imagine being able to solve complex problems in seconds without even touching a calculator. Imagine impressing your friends or colleagues by doing what seems impossible. The best part? Anyone can learn these skills. You don't need to be a math genius, you just need to understand a few powerful strategies. In this video, we'll dive into how you can train your brain to do calculations faster, easier, and with less effort. From simple tricks that save you time to mind-blowing techniques that will leave you amazed, you'll learn how to calculate like a pro. So get ready to unlock the secrets that could make you faster than a calculator. Chapter 1. The mindset of a human calculator. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to calculate numbers faster than a calculator? It all starts with the right mindset. The key to mental math is believing you can do it, just like any athlete believes they can run faster or jump higher. According to a study by the University of California, mindset plays a significant role in problem-solving and cognitive performance. People with a growth mindset, the belief that abilities can improve with effort, tend to perform better in math. So, how do you start? Begin by replacing any negative thoughts about math with, "I can do this." Small changes in your mindset can help your brain work faster. Take the time to shift your thinking and approach math as a fun challenge, not a daunting task. By believing in your own abilities, you set yourself up for success. The right mindset makes all the difference in pushing your limits beyond what you think is possible. Chapter 2. Mental Math Hacks, Shortcuts you wish you knew. We've all been taught to do long division, multiplication, and other tedious calculations. But here's a little secret. Most of those steps can be simplified. Take multiplying numbers by 9, for example. Instead of multiplying 9 by a big number, you can use the shortcut. Multiply the number by 10, then subtract the original number. For example, 9 times 87 becomes 10 times 87, 87 equals 878, 7 equals 783. It's much faster, right? Another trick? Use the double and half method for multiplying. If you have 12 times 25, you can double 12 to get 24, and halve 25 to get 12. Then, just multiply 24 times 12, which is easier. Mental math is all about recognizing patterns and applying shortcuts. These little tricks can save you loads of time. And the best part? You don't need a calculator. Chapter 3. The Speedy Power of Estimation. Why precision isn't always key. Precision isn't always necessary, especially when you're trying to calculate quickly. Estimation is one of the fastest ways to solve problems, and it's more accurate than you might think. For example, if you need to estimate the total cost of 18 items costing $4.99 each, it's easier to round 4.99 to 5. Multiply 18 times 5 equals 90, which is close enough. According to a study by the National Bureau of Economic Research, people who estimate rather than calculate precisely save time without losing much accuracy. Estimation isn't just about rough guesses, it's about knowing when to round numbers up or down to make calculations easier. You can make a habit of estimating in everyday situations, like calculating tips or budgeting. Estimating lets you get a quick answer without worrying about the exact decimal places. Once you practice this skill, you'll calculate faster than you ever imagined. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tricks and tips on mastering mental math. Chapter 4. The Hidden Power of Mental Grouping. Group numbers in your head, and suddenly math becomes easier. This technique, called mental grouping, allows you to break large numbers into smaller, more manageable chunks. For instance, when adding 36 plus 47, break it into 30 plus 40 and 6 plus 7. This approach simplifies the math and speeds up your process. Studies show that our brains handle small groups of numbers better than large ones, which is why this method works so well. The human brain can hold only about 7 pieces of information at a time, so it's important to break things into chunks. Another example. When adding 356 plus 412, split it into 300 plus 400, 50 plus 10, and 6 plus 12. Adding them in these smaller parts, you get 300 plus 400 equals 700, 50 plus 10 equals 60, and 6 plus 12 equals 18. Now add them up. 700 plus 60 plus 18 equals 778. Mental grouping makes math easier to handle by making it feel like smaller tasks. It's one of the fastest ways to speed up your mental calculations. Chapter 5. Visualization. The ultimate mental math tool. Visualization is a secret weapon for mental math, and it's not just for artists. The process of turning numbers into images helps your brain process them faster. Imagine a number as a shape or color in your mind. For instance, the number 5 could be represented by a red triangle, and 7 might be a green square. When you visualize the numbers, they become easier to manipulate and add or subtract. A study by Dr. Alan Baddeley, a cognitive psychologist, showed that visualization strengthens our working memory, which is key to fast calculations. The next time you do mental math, try turning the numbers into something visual. The more you practice this technique, the faster you'll get at solving problems in your head. It's like creating a mental picture that your brain can quickly rearrange for an answer. Chapter 6. From Zero to Hero. Building mental math muscle. Mental math, like any skill, requires practice. The more you challenge your brain with calculations, the better and faster you'll become. Think of it as building muscle. Consistency is key. According to research by Dr. Joe Boaler, a professor of mathematics at Stanford University, practicing mental math exercises daily can actually improve brain function over time. Start with simple problems, and gradually increase the complexity as you build confidence. Try setting a timer and see how quickly you can solve a set of problems. Whether it's multiplying double-digit numbers or solving simple algebra, daily practice will help you grow your mental math muscle. And don't be afraid to challenge yourself. Try mental math apps or participate in online challenges to stay sharp. Over time, your brain will process numbers more efficiently, and you'll be calculating faster than ever before. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us for more math tricks and tips. With enough practice, you'll be calculating faster than you ever thought possible.